Laboratory roll-to-roll coaters with a modular design allow for full customization of the roll-to-roll process and make it possible to process hundreds of meters of foil using compact machines that fit in standard labs, gloveboxes and fume hoods. This high level of customization can significantly reduce the time, cost and resources required when acquiring or retrofitting equipment. Hi, my name is R2R and I will here give a quick introduction to how a laboratory roll-to-roll coater with a modular design can be an advantageous solution for scientists and researchers working with functional thin films in a laboratory environment. With respect to applicability, laboratory roll-to-roll coaters can be used for processing within a wide range of research and production areas. This could be thin film batteries, solar cells, membranes or pharmaceutical applications. And they can furthermore be used both in lab scale and pilot scale research. The systems are available in various lengths and widths, offering flexibility to fit a variety of lab setups, and having a high modular design makes them compatible to support a wide range of components for surface treatment, coating, printing, drying, washing and curing. Because of the high adaptability, the modular design of the system can be tuned to the user's specific research needs. And a setup can easily be reconfigured for new experiments or application by adding, removing, swapping components as needed. Building a customized machine that fits a specific process or a series of processes is pretty straightforward, where choosing the size of the machine is the first step. To decide this, it's necessary to determine the minimum number of modular components necessary for carrying out the desired process or processes. One of the simple processes could be to coat something and then dry it. This will only require space for a single modular component, the oven. If extra steps, like laminations, are required, it's simple to swap the oven for a laminator and then run the process as a second step. If everything is to be carried out as a single step, a larger platform with space for both the oven and the laminator will of course be needed. Once the platform and modular components have been selected, it's super fast to set up everything. Simply place the components on the coater, thread the foil and start the desired experiments. Switching for a different configuration is just as fast. For example, to replace an inert gas oven with an infrared oven, lift off the inert gas oven, attach the infrared oven, rethread the foil and everything is ready for the new process. The modularity also allows the user to retrofit the setup if the need for new processes come up in the future. And instead of having to buy a completely new roll-to-roll setup, the user can simply change the components. And this potentially makes the initial investment significantly lower, as it's not necessary to acquire the component that might be needed in the future, only the components that are necessary right now. If you want to learn more, you're welcome to reach out, or you can watch our in-depth animation that goes through all the features of the system in the link below. Thank you so much.